Hello, what is Fretboard Freedom? Well, as I see it, it's the freedom to do two things. One, to know where to put your fingers on the fretboard, and two, to be able to play without having to think about what you're doing. Right now, I'm not only not thinking about what I'm doing, I'm also not present in what I do. Because I'm talking to you. My hands and fingers are running patterns stored in the deepest parts of my brain. Fretboard Freedom is being able to do that, because when you can do this without thinking about it, the level of freedom you have when you are present in what you do is unlimited. I created a program that gives you a specific step-by-step approach to mastering all the dots on the fretboard in very little time, and it will also show you how to make your fingers think for themselves.